Man, dirty. Alright, so what we got here is a 01, no, there's a 02 Chevy Cavalier. Gonna change the, yeah, see that? Belt's loose. That's not supposed to be loose. The belt tensioner down here. And we can probably see it right there. Oh, right there. Right under the power steering. There's the power steering right here. Right under it. Yeah, belt tensioner. That's supposed to be tight. And if oh, come on, focus. If it's not that tight, belt gets loose, and that's bad because, you know, it's a single belt. Powers everything, you know, water pump, AC, power steering, everything, oil pump, everything like that. So down here, easiest way to take it off is right here. Pretty sure this broke because it's not keeping it tight. So yeah, that should be tight with the spring, but it looks like this broke and might need a new belt. You can see those cracks right there. I already got started on it. Took the wheel off. Gotta take this plastics off, get better access. Yeah, first thing you should do though, get under here. Jack stands for security. It's always a safety first, you know. Gotta get this plastics off, get all the little bolts. I think it's a, what size is this? I use 932s. I think it's like a size 7 millimeter. Yeah, I'm gonna start taking off that plastic flap and then try to get it, see how I can get that tensioner off. Alright, took the plastics off. And there's a tensioner right there. Yeah, it's supposed to be tight like that, but it's not. Looks like it just broke, you know. Over time, these things break. But yeah, to take it off, so it's that bolt right here. It's a 15. You just need to, you know, put it on there, loosen it. That's pretty quick. Pretty easy. Or if you want to find out how the belt goes too, if you guys forgot or something, you can see right there, it goes over here, over and around the power steering pump up there. Then it goes over and it goes down right here by this pulley. There, goes under here, goes over all the way to the top of the alternator, down around here to the AC. And up the water pump and back down the crankshaft pulley and then over the tensioner right there. It's pretty simple. Gotta replace the belt too, so I'm gonna take that off right now too. Alright, let me get it off. Alright, change of plan, guys. I guess when they designed these cars, they didn't design them with these axes or make them easy to change parts. So my first time doing this on this car, but I don't know if you can notice, there's like no room, barely. I can't take the bolt off because it hits the frame, so yeah, gonna have to lower the engine down. It has this, so like it looks like it could lower it down pretty easily. So we'll go back on top. These two 15 bolts. Gotta loosen those. Press the torque wrench. I gotta get an adapter. Over here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Cool. So hopefully when I loosen this, I should lower the engine enough so I could hopefully have room to loosen it, but try to do it slowly. Not too much, you don't want to drop the engine now. Oh, yeah, that's what I don't want to happen. Yeah, don't do that. I'm gonna get the jack lifted up. Alright. Got the two bolts off. Now the engine is moving freely. I have the jack underneath, so this keeps it up. I'm just gonna lower it just slow enough so I could get enough room to put that bolt down. Let me lower it real quick. Looks like that's the lowest it's gonna go. Looks like I might have some room. Should be enough room to loosen it out. Yeah, it's coming. There we go. Pull it out. Oh, there we go. Yep, perfect. I guess that's why they designed these right here. A little shock thing or whatever, so you could go up and down. That helps a lot. Put that bolt to the side. Yep, this is the pulley right here. Original GM part. Nice. Perfect. Let's go get me one of these. Ugh. And the new belt too. Meanwhile though, I'm gonna put it back on these bolts, so I don't wanna leave the engine like this on the jack, so pick it up again, put it back on put the screws back on to hold it. Meanwhile, I get the bolts in. Just like that. Go to the auto parts store, get some, get that pulley and the belt again and throw it back together. I'll be back. This is the old one. Came to O'Reilly's. Show them the old one. They had it in stock, or they had a special order, but it's about $12.30 right now. They said it'll come in at $2.30, so that's good. I kind of need it by the end of the day. Old belt, you can see those cracks right there though. Look at that. Ew. Trash. So I had to get the new belt too. 3-year warranty Gates belt. High quality. Yeah. How much was this? 70. I don't know, like $45 I think. I don't know. Paid. Oh yeah, $43.99 for the tensioner. And about $30.99 for the belt. So it came out to about $82 for both the both tensioner and the belt. Not bad. Yeah, hope it lasts a good long time. 3-year warranty for the belt, so that's good. Higher quality. Should get by 2:30 though, so I have to wait till it gets here. And yeah, just throw it back in the car. So new tensioner, new bolt. Picked this shit up from O'Reilly's, pretty good.
That's what I got.
Got a new belt too for where I've left it. There it is. The old shit. New belt. Let's throw this on there now. Alright, it's in there. Tighten the bolt down. I need to torque it to spec. I'm not sure what the spec is. I'm gonna look that up right now. Alright, so I looked it up. Some people saying 37 foot-pounds for this bolt. Usually it comes with a pulley. It's already torqued down pretty good. So 37 foot-pounds. Yeah, there we go. 37 foot-pounds for that bolt right there. Not sure if I can fit this in here, but yeah, I'll be able to fit this in here. That'll work. Just gonna use a wrench. Okay. Let's throw this on there now. Alright, it's in there. Tighten the bolt down. I need to torque it to spec. I'm not sure what the spec is. I'm gonna look that up right now. Alright, so I looked it up. Some people saying 37 foot-pounds for this bolt. Usually it comes with a pulley. It's already torqued down pretty good. So 37 foot-pounds. Yeah, there we go. 37 foot-pounds for that bolt right there. Not sure if I can fit this in here, but yeah, I'll be able to fit this in here. That'll work. Just gonna use a wrench. Okay. Should be about 37 or so. Just gotta get a 3/8 drive or something socket, so you can put it down, put the belt on, and tighten it, and you should be good. Bolts are in. Pretty much it. Just tight. Belt is good. How it's supposed to be is perfect. Yep, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me turn it on real quick. Lucky. Oh, come on. Are you serious? Oh, there we go. That car seat looks like it's nice and smooth. Yep. Nice and smooth, guys. That's how you do it. Good. Alright, that's pretty much it. Serpentine belt, 02 Cavalier. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright. Later.